What's going on, Jeep gang? Dave here with another Jeep install, and I got the latest KC HiLites Pro6 LED light bar for my baby. Now, I got this because my Gobi rack allows for like a 40-inch LED bar, but you know, I wanted that like classic look with like the big old like bulbs and whatnot like on the top of the Jeep. I ended up getting their 39-inch bar because I feel the brackets that I got for my 40-inch has about an inch in wiggle room, so fingers crossed that that allows for this to go on easy, because I still don't know how I'm gonna do this, but let's find out. Behold my KC light bar. Ow! Alright. So these are the brackets that came with the Gobi rack to go on top of that area where the LED light bar is supposed to be. So looks simple and straightforward. Let me show you the area like right there. So you can see, I feel that's like the inch of wiggle room I have for the lock-on bolt that I'm banking on for this idea. Yeah, I'm gonna have to Tarzan this. Tarzan it is. Alright, test fitment. Yes! It works. Going with the Gorilla Grip. Oh, son. Woo! Ow! Just like that, guys. KC HiLites Pro6 Gravity LED light bar has been mounted. Check it out, man. Oh, hella excited to get that thing on and wired. All right, so it turns out there's connection on both ends and they just like block one end. So you can remove the blocker. Take that, bring it to the other side. And block that one. Hope I can pull this up. Alright, so instructions say gold blade goes to black. Snazzy, snazzy. Got it. Oof. Alright guys, so I have the lights nice and mocked. Got the switch ready. Let's do it. Ow! Hell yeah, baby. Woo! Shining. Right now it's still daylight, as you can see, so maybe at nighttime I can get a better shot at this. Alright guys, posted up at a good location where I can test out the beams and see how far they go. Right now it's currently sunset, so it's pretty nice out here, man. Alright, sun's just about setting. Alright guys, so it's currently 9:04 p.m. So it's already pretty dark. Actually, it looks a little brighter in the camera. Alright, so let's give this a shot. Ready? Hold on, let me turn off the front ones. It's just gonna be the light bar. 3, 2, 1. Ow! Damn. Okay. Okay. That's pretty bright, man. Look at that. You can see the beam. I feel like Cyclops and shit. Whoa, yeah, man, that's hella bright. Yeah. Oh man, you can see the beam. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And check it out. I'm like on a high elevation overlooking like some plains down below. So once again, check that out. Man, that's gonna be perfect when you're out there in the dark, man. Like for reals. Like, to be honest, main reason why I decided to invest in a good light bar was because the first time I was actually jeeping was with the rental Jeep, and it didn't have the LED lights, so those lights are notorious for being weak. And as I was driving, a freaking black bear came across my path, and I didn't see it till it was too late. I just stomped on the brakes and hope I didn't hit the thing. Oh my goodness, it was that was wild, man. So since then I'm like investing in good light systems, cause that can get nasty really quick. And at night when there's no one around, oh man, nope, not me. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching my latest install on my Jeep. Stay tuned for more.